The CB650R packs premium technology in the form of a 5-inch full-color TFT screen that uses optical bonding to improve visibility in bright sunlight. The display itself is customizable between bar, circle, and simple the display patterns, and also offers smartphone connectivity via Honda RoadSync. Honda RoadSync, operated via an easy-to-use, backlit 4-way toggle switch on the left handlebar, allows straightforward, on-screen turn-by-turn navigation, as well as the option, via a Bluetooth helmet headset, for the rider to make calls, listen to music or receive voice feedback of weather conditions. All an owner has to do is download the free Honda RoadSync app from either the Play Store or the App Store. Connect to the CB650R, and go. The steel diamond frame uses pressed swing arm pivot plates and twin elliptical spars with a rigidity balance specifically tuned, stiffer around the headstock and more flexible in the spar sections, to deliver excellent all-round handling characteristics with high levels of rider feedback. Rake is set at 25.5 degrees with trail of 100 mm and wheelbase of 1,450 mm. Curb weight is 205 kg, 207 kg e-clutch. Shows 41 mm separate function big piston, SFFBP, USD forks offer high-quality reaction. A pressure separation damper in one fork tube and spring mechanism in the other deliver high damping performance and lighter weight, together with the use of a larger-sized piston. The result is increased feel, bump absorption, and control. Adjustable for 10-stage spring preload, the single-tube monoshock operates directly on the curvaceous gravity die-cast aluminium swing arm. 4-piston radial mount front brake calipers work 310 mm floating discs, and are paired with a single-piston rear caliper and 240 mm disc. The ABS is a 2-channel system. Cast aluminium wheels mount 120/70 ZR17 and 180/55 ZR17 front and rear tires. Honda e-clutch takes elements of the technology and performance of quickshifters, manually operated clutches, and Honda's dual-clutch transmission technology to create a unique blend of these well-proven approaches, opening up a whole new aspect of the motorcycling experience for riders of every type and experience level. The clutch and transmission hardware themselves are no different from a conventional motorcycle, with the ultra-compact system weighing only 2 kg. In operation, Honda e-clutch is simplicity itself, taking away the need to use the clutch lever to make a shift either up or down the gearbox. The rider simply has to operate the shift pedal for ultra-fast, consistent gear changes, bringing extra enjoyment to sporty riding. The clutch lever is also not needed when pulling away or coming to a stop. Becoming active as soon as the engine is switched on, the system manages both scenarios smoothly, while taking away the possibility of the engine stalling when in operation, providing extra convenience and peace of mind to town riding involving frequent starts and stops. In addition to enjoyment and convenience, Honda e-clutch brings ultimate flexibility. Should the rider wish, they are able to operate the clutch lever as normal at any time. When the clutch lever is used, the Honda e-clutch system will reactivate after less than a second above a certain engine RPM, after 5 seconds at lower engine speeds. Should the rider wish to turn off the system for a particular ride, this is also possible via the switchgear on the left handlebar. The change to manual operation is indicated by a letter M on the instrument panel. The Honda e-clutch also allows the rider to select an operation field to set the strength of the force required on the shift pedal to make a gear change. 3 settings are available: hard, medium, and soft, each of which can be chosen independently for upshifting and downshifting. The proven 649 cubic centimeters DOHC 16 valve engine is unchanged for 26 Ym. It's tuned to create the purest, most enjoyable mid-sized 4-cylinder performance possible, with the classically fast pickup through the rev range and hard-hitting, high-revving top end for which Honda's inline 4s are renowned. Peak power of 70 kilowatts arrives at 12,000 RPM with peak torque at 63 Nm delivered at 9,500 RPM. A 35 kilowatts option is available for A2 license holders. Direct cam actuation makes for a compact cylinder head. Bore and stroke is set at 67 mm x 46 mm with compression ratio of 11.6 to 1. Iridium spark plugs are employed and twin air ducts, either side of the fuel tank, feed the airbox and produce a throaty intake roar. Asymmetric piston skirts minimize bore contact and reduce friction. Ferrous spines on the outer surface of the cylinder sleeves reduce oil consumption and friction, with improved heat transfer, and a silent SV cam chain reduces frictional losses by using a vanadium coating on its pins. Internal water channeling from cylinder head to cylinders does away with most of the exterior hoses. The engine uses a compact internal architecture, stacked 6-speed gearbox and starter layout with the cylinders canted forward 30 degrees. An assist slipper clutch eases upshifts while managing rear-wheel lock-up under hard braking and rapid downshifts. Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, manages rear-wheel traction. It can be turned off should the rider choose. Fuel consumption of 20.4 km per litre, WMTC mode, gives a range of over 300 km from the 15.4L fuel tank. Euro 5 compliant, environmental efficiency has been updated with revisions to the ECU and catalyzer, as well as the addition of an OBD2-2 sensor.